Hi, today's topic is plant maintenance. Now, let's see what is plant maintenance and master data in plant maintenance and configuration in plant maintenance and the process flow for creating the preventive maintenance in SAP. Now, let's see what is plant maintenance. What is the use of plant maintenance? Plant maintenance helps to do all the maintenance activities in an organization such as breakdown maintenance, repairs and preventive maintenance, and this allows you to record the problems in SAP system. And master data in plant maintenance is equipment BOM, task list and maintenance plan. These all will come under master data. To create equipment, the transaction code is IE01. And what is the use of equipment? It is an individual physical object that is to be maintained independently. And next one is equipment BOM. The transaction code to create equipment is IB01. And what is the use of equipment BOM? Identifies all the replacement spare parts for the equipment. And next one is task list. The transaction code to create task list is IA01. It has the list of maintenance operations activities which are to be carried out when associated with an maintenance order. All that will comes under task list. Next one is maintenance plan. The transaction code to create maintenance plan is IP01. It is the combination of equipment, task list and the due date. Now first see the process flow, and we have the function. We have to create the functional location also. The functional location is a place where physical or logical objects we can maintain, where equipments exist or maintenance activities takes place. That will come under functional location. Now let's see the process flow of this maintenance plan. First we have to create the maintenance plan scheduling. Next, that maintenance plan scheduling we convert into preventive maintenance order, and next release that order. If you want to print that, what are the spare parts and what we need for that, we have to print that. And next do the operation confirmation, and next goods issue, TECO, settlement and closing. This is the process flow for preventive maintenance order. This is the general for PM notification. First create the PM notification for all the maintenance activities. This is the general for PM notification. And next plant maintenance order creation, order release, operation confirmation, TECO and closure. This is the general flow for doing the maintenance activities. Whether it is preventive maintenance, breakdown maintenance or regular maintenance, this is the general flow we have to follow. And next let's see the process flow of what we need to create and what are the steps to follow. First, create the structure indicator. This is by the help of this structure indicator we can create the functional location. We have the hierarchy. For that, go to SPRO and go to plant maintenance and customer service in plant maintenance and customer, and next open master data in plant maintenance. Next go to technical object and functional location. Here click on the create structure indicator for reference locations and functional locations. By creating that, we can create the next. The screen will be appear like this. Go select one of these, or we can click on the new entries and we can create our own structure indicator here and enter the structure. We don't need to enter here. Enter the edit mask and hierarchy levels. In this way we can enter the hierarchy levels. This is my hierarchy level 1, 2, 3. Based on this, here we have, this is the first one and this is the second, third, fourth. Like this we can enter that. Here I taken my structure indicator as PK01 and enter the structure indicator description. Structure indicator description as I entered here structure indicator for PK test. This is my test one. This and save this structure indicator. After that, create the functional location and based on the structure indicator, we will create the functional location. Here for that, first take the structure indicator what you created previously. Here my structure indicator is PK01. I took that. From that structure indicator, here the edit mask and hierarchy level came. Based on this hierarchy level, we can create our functional location. My first level is PK01. This is means here we have 4 axes, right? Based on this, I created my first level. This is the first level functional location. Like that, we can create second level, third. We can maintain the level of hierarchies, functional locations here. And after that, click on the enter, and here take from the drop down the authorization group, whatever the mandatory fields, we can enter those mandatory fields and maintain the plant. I took the plant as 1000 here, like that here, and enter the cost center and business area and planning plant in organization tab, and maintain the work center also. Here this is the plant maintenance work center, so I took the plant maintenance from the drop down and save the functional location. Now create the equipment. Here this is the master data, right? Create the equipment master. And in equipment master, we will assign the functional location. For this equipment master, for creating the equipment master, the transaction code is IE01. Go to IE01 and click on enter, and enter the description for that equipment. And next, in general tab, enter the objective type and the inventory number as PK01 and manufacturing data. First enter the general data, and next reference data and manufacturing data. Manufacturing data means what is the manufacturing company and model number of that equipment, and manufacturing part number, serial number, all those, and in which country that equipment is manufactured, and everything we entered in manufacturing data. Next, go to location tab. In location tab, enter the location where this equipment is stored, and all those comes under location data. Next, go to organization. In what are the mandatory fields, we have to enter all those in this organization field. And next, go to structure. In the structure tab, here we will assign the functional location. Previously we created the functional location as PK01. Take that functional location and add that functional location to this equipment master and save the equipment master. Here our equipment is created now. Now created time-based maintenance. Here first we have to create the maintenance strategy. For creating the maintenance strategy, the transaction code is IP11. Why we are creating this maintenance strategy is based on this strategy, the maintenance activities will take place, whether it is monthly or it is day by day, or based on this maintenance strategy, the maintenance activities takes place. Here I created the maintenance strategy as name. I took the name as PK01 and enter the description and strategy unit, whether do we need to day by day or whether it is monthly. All those things we will enter here, and enter the factory calendar also. And next, here enter the go to pack. Select the package and click enter, and here the enter the package type, whether it is we have to do. Here my maintenance strategy package is here for every 15 days, that means 2 weeks. After that 30 days, 1 month, 90 days. This is the cycle time we are maintaining to do the maintenance activities. We have to enter the cycle length. based on this cycle length, the maintenance activities will take place. And save that maintenance strategy. This is my maintenance strategy. Save that maintenance strategy. After that, create the task list. In this task list, we will maintain this maintenance, we will add that maintenance strategy. Here, this is my, for creating the task list, go to transaction code IS01 and enter the equipment. Previously we created the equipment, and this is my equipment number. 10332353 is my equipment. I entered that equipment, and next here all the data will come. Here enter the description for that, the task list, and enter the work center and usage. Usage is here we are doing the plant maintenance activities, and status keep it as release. And see here we are entering the maintenance strategy. Based on this strategy, this task will be, this maintenance activity will take place. Here previously I created the maintenance strategy as PK01. This is my maintenance strategy, and here in this maintenance strategy we entered the cycle length. It is for 5 days, 30 days, like that my cycle has to repeat it. Based on this strategy, the maintenance activities will take place here. And next, go to operations tab. Here go to operations tab to enter the operation. Here this is enter the operation. What is the operation? It is the work center, and clean the enter the description for the operation, and go to maintenance package. Click on the maintenance package to enter the maintenance package. This is then all. Here we have to check mark this. When to do this maintenance task will happen. Based on this, if we want to skip this, then we don't need to check this. When based on these check marks, the task list will be happen. Save that task list. Next, create the maintenance plan. Based on for creating the maintenance plan, the transaction code is IP01. Based on this plan, the maintenance activities will be scheduled. Here the maintenance plan, enter the maintenance plan. This is my maintenance order. Based on this maintenance, here maintenance plan, in this here we will enter the equipment. Base for this equipment, schedule the maintenance plan. Here I taken as for every 1 month, and this is my function. I entered the equipment number. Whatever the data is there in the equipment, that will come here, and I will take the order type as here preventive maintenance. Here I am doing preventive maintenance. Here I got the error that order type PM07 is not supported for planning plant 1000. So for here, that means the order type is not assigned to that plant. First we have to assign that order type to this plant. For that, go to transaction code OIOD and maintain your order type in that planning plant. For that, select check whether your order type is assigned to planning plant or not. For that, go to position and enter that number, and here that your order type is not assigned to that planning plant. First maintain that. For that, enter the plant and your order type and save that. Here now we assign that order type to this plant. Now add the order type in maintenance plan. For that, here I took the order type as PM07. This is my preventive maintenance order. I am creating the preventive maintenance order. That means if based on this order type, the maintenance will be carried out, whether it is preventive maintenance or it is regular maintenance, breakdown maintenance. Based on this order types, the maintenance orders will be created. Here my maintenance order is preventive maintenance order. For that, yeah, and save this task list, save that one. Once next go to, this is my add the task list and enter the task list. Next go to maintenance plan scheduling parameters and here maintain the parameters. My scheduling period is 365 days. For 365 days these maintenance activities will take place based on the maintenance strategy we maintained in task list, right? Based on that task list, these maintenance activities will be takes place on that equipment. Here this is the cycle start time. Based on this cycle start time, the cycle will be start and save that maintenance plan. Now maintenance plan scheduling, for that go to IP10 and take here my maintenance plan is 41 and we have to schedule these maintenance plans. Once we schedule this maintenance plan, then only the activities will take place. For that go to enter the maintenance plan. My maintenance plan is 41. I entered that maintenance plan and I enter the start cycle date. Once I enter that start cycle date, the maintenance plan is scheduled. Here for this date, the maintenance, on these dates we have to do the maintenance activities. We have to maintain that preventive maintenance activities. Here this is my maintenance activity. On this date I have to for that select that and release that schedule, release that maintenance plan. While I am releasing this maintenance plan, I got the error as scheduling parameters of maintenance order has not entered. So for that again I entered that and I saw that we have to execute this function. For that go to scheduling parameters, go to SPRO and go to scheduling and click on define scheduling parameters for maintenance order. We have to define the scheduling parameters for that maintenance order. For that we have to maintain these scheduling parameters for that plant. Here I maintain that scheduling parameters for this plant. This is the scheduling parameters I maintained. And next, these are the scheduling, specific scheduling parameters we have to maintain. Based on these scheduling parameters, the scheduling will be take place. So this is my preventive maintenance for PM07 is the preventive maintenance. For this order type, the scheduling parameters are not maintained. Here I maintain that and save this. After that, now again go to maintenance plan and click on that and release that maintenance plan. Now the cost center to maintenance work has not maintained, that is not the error, that is just warning. Click on continue and after that error occurred, the number assignment for object is not maintained. For that we have to maintain the, for the above error go to transaction code SNRO and maintain these number ranges for this transaction. For that click on that. Once we maintain that, again go to maintenance plan and click on this and release this maintenance plan. Now scheduling, check the scheduling overing parameters for that maintenance plan. Here for that go to the transaction code IPs 24. Go to that and here this is my maintenance plan and this is the start date of that maintenance plan and here the preventive maintenance order is created. The preventive maintenance order is 1009656 is the preventive maintenance order. Now take that preventive maintenance order and go to display maintenance order. For the displaying the maintenance, IW33 is the transaction code to display that order and check whether this maintenance order status, the status is in release mode. Now do the preventive maintenance activities, whatever the activities are there in that maintenance, we have to do that maintenance activities and confirm that maintenance activities by going to transaction code IW41. Do confirmation for each operations, how many based on the operations. This is in, we maintain in task list to maintain the operations, right? We have to do all the operations confirmation here. For this order, I am confirming my operations. For that, go to transaction code IW41 and do the confirmation for each operations. Here also I got that no parameters defined for the plant. For that, again go to transaction code OPK4 and maintain the parameters for that order confirmation. For that, go to order type and here I maintain the parameters for that order confirmations. These my parameters I maintain for that order confirmation. Save this order, parameters of order confirmation. Now again go to confirmation of preventive maintenance. Here enter the order number and do operation confirmation. For this, here this is my PM plant maintenance work center. I am confirming the start. Enter the work start and work finish. How much time it will take for finishing this maintenance activity. Enter all the details and click on do the confirmation. Save that. Once you save, this operation will be confirmed. Now check the status of the order. For that, go to transaction code IW33. We did the confirmation right now. The status will be in C. Change it to PCNF NMAT. And next, issue goods to this order. For that, go to MIGO and issue the whatever goods we used. We have to enter that goods. Issue that goods to that order. After that, do technical completion. This is the order technically completed. This is the process flow of preventive maintenance. After that, now again check the order status. Once we do the technical completion, the status will be come into takeoff. Previously it is in release mode, PCNF, and now it is in takeoff, means technically completed. Next, do order settlement and order close. This is the plant maintenance process flow for doing preventive maintenance. Thank you.